Okay, on page number 20, okay, there is a some information in the red box that a tourist brochure advises traveler what to see in a new place. It has headings to tell you the main points. When we write headings, our notebooks, in our notebooks, we underline them with a ruler. In printed books, headings are usually in a big bold letter. Okay, in this 4 lines, they tell us that headings are very useful for the work. Okay, and when we write headings in our notebook, we underline them with the ruler. Okay, now the first question is work with the classmate, talk, don't write. Okay, just listen them. Okay, these questions. A, why are there headings in brochures? Okay, because headings tell travelers the main points. Okay, how do we write headings in our notebook? We underline the headings with the ruler. Okay, now as you can see here, this is the information about a Multan. Okay, city Multan. And listen to the facts about Multan, thus then circle the correct words in the fact life. Okay, so here is some information about Multan. Two options are given at the last. You circle the correct option. Okay, and which is related to the Multan. Okay, now this is the heading, key facts about Multan. These are the key facts of about the Multan. Like one of the oldest cities in the world. Okay, means कि Multan is the oldest city in the world. Okay, so we underline the world. Age 600 or 6,000 years old. 6,000 years old. Okay, so you circle the word 6,000. Province, in which province it is located? It is located in province Punjab. So you circle the this option Punjab. Nearest river Indus, Chenab. Chenab, you circle the word Chenab. This city is called the city of saints. Saints means Sufi. Okay, Sufi log jo hote hain. Okay, kings and Sufi saints. The next heading is the tomb of Rukne Alam. Rukne Alam is a tomb of a saint. Age of tomb 100, 700 years old. 700 years old. You circle the word 700. Shape of tomb 8 sides, 4 sides. It has 8 sides. You circle the word 8. Building material stone, brick, wood, tiles. Circle the word brick and tiles. Next heading is famous products of Multan. Most famous fruit of Multan is apples or mangoes. Mangoes. You underline the word mangoes. Material of pottery, glazed clay or stone. Glazed clay. Okay, underline, circle the word glazed clay. Usual colors of pottery, red, blue, green, white. Blue and white. Types of pottery, plates, buckets, tiles and pots. Plates, tiles and pots. Okay, next page is about, this page is about the also information of Multan, but you will write in the form of sentences now. Okay, now this is the heading of key facts. Multan is one of the oldest cities in the world. Okay, next is people have lived there for dash years. How many years? As you can circle it here, age 6,000 years old. So here you can write people have lived there for 6,000 years. On a map you will find it in Punjab. Okay, beside river Chenab. Okay, it is called city of saints. Okay, because a large number of Sufis or saints are from this city. Okay, on the graves of the saints there are tombs. Okay, the tomb of Rukne Alam. Okay, one of the famous tomb is Rukne Alam. One of Multan saints was called Rukne Alam. His tomb is 700 years old. It has 8 sides. As you can complete this in this form. Okay, it is made of bricks and tiles. Famous products of Multan. Multan is famous for mangoes, glazed clay. The color of pottery is blue and white. Types of pottery, there are three types of pottery: plates, buckets and pots. Okay, now skip this question and move to our workbook, page number 11. Okay, add LESS or FUL to make sensible adjectives, which we can already done on the textbook. Our last day in Paris started out badly. When we arrived at the museum, the queue was: number 1, endless. The person at the information desk was very unhelpful. Then we went shopping, but our tourist brochure was out of date and useless. So we went to a cafe nearby where the coffee was tasteless. The evening was better. Our host family was very helpful. There is a concert in a church near here. They said the music was both exciting and tuneful. The singer was very graceful and had a beautiful voice, and we enjoyed the concert. So finally we had a good day. Okay. Exercise 10. Put the adjectives in brackets into the correct form. The city of Karachi is dash then Quetta. Big is the adjective. So here we can write correct adjective. So it is bigger. Next is Manora Beach is one of the dash places in Karachi. Famous. It means here you can write more famous. When they arrived, Mona was dash than her brother. Excited. Most excited. Sorry, more excited. Okay. Number D. But her camel was dash than her brother's camel. Ugly. So here Y is there. So we cut Y and we can replace Y into I. So here we can write ugliest. Yeah, uglier. Okay, uglier. Next E. Habib's camel was much dash than her camel. Friendly. So we cut Y, write E. So here you can write friendlier. Okay. F. After lunch they played in the waves. It was one of the dash days of the holidays. Happy. So Y is also here. So we can write as happiest. Okay. Now see on this page now. Use the suffix er and these adjectives or put more in front of them. A garden is usually beautiful dash than a rubbish tip. Okay. So here we can write correct adjective, which is more beautiful. Notre Dame is old than the Pompidou Center. Okay. So here you can write old, older. Okay. OLDER, older. A cat is usually pretty dash than a frog. Here you can write prettiest or prettier. Sorry, there is no option of EST. So we can write ER. PRETTIER. Y is cut and replaced to I. Islamabad is famous than Jhelum. More famous. I feel happy at home and at the dentist's. Happier. Thinking is important than copying. Most important. The cake is sweeter than a samosa. Here you can write sweeter. Okay. Now copy the passage, add capital letters and full stop. This is exercise number 12. Okay. Now this is also about the dots, sentences, dots and the capital letters. Okay. First sentence is done for you. The next is we can write T will be capital. The fastest and easiest way to travel is by metro. Okay, full stop. And now complete this by yourself. Okay, because as we can do this already in the textbook. So here, write the correct heading from the box above the sections. Okay, so on this page there are 3 headings are given in this box, and you can write each heading in the correct box, correct blank. Okay, transport, things to do and key facts, and the information is about Istanbul. Okay, now first is people have lived in Istanbul in Turkey for 1600 years. It is located between the Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea. Okay, now these are the key facts of Istanbul. So here you can write key facts. Next is you must go to the Sultanahmet Mosque or Blue Mosque, which is the largest mosque in Istanbul. Try to visit the Grand Bazaar, which is home to over 4,000 shops. This is the things to do. Okay, that when you are going to Istanbul, these are the things to do. C is that the tram lines are the easiest way to travel around the old city. You can also travel by boat to some parts of the city. So this is about the transport. So here you can write transport. Skip this one. Okay, and this is all about today. Allah Hafiz.